Welcome back to In Focus Kentucky. On today's episode, we're focusing on Hispanic Heritage Month and sharing how those in our state are celebrating the Latino heritage. Central Latino is one of several groups in the state of Kentucky who helps advocate for families in the immigrant and migrant communities and connects them with a variety of services that promote education, health and wellness, and even social justice. And let's discuss some of those educational resources that your organization offers to those in the community. And I know one of the big things is after-school opportunities for kids throughout the school year. So share with us about that.
Center College actually, their students run an after-school program for the children of Latino families. And I believe it's 2 days a week, and the children go there and they have help with their homework. And for instance, before spring break, they give them a big beach party, and they all, got beach balls and glasses and things like that. We also, throughout the summer, provided several summer camps. I don't remember if it was 2 or 3 summer camps that we did, week-long camps where the children came, and we did a whole summer camp experience, also run by a Center College student. Prior to school starting this year, we did a back-to-school event where children were given school supplies if they needed them, things like that.
And you all mentioned the importance of these partnerships that you have throughout the Danville community, and one of them that you specifically mentioned is the hospital with Ephraim McDowell Hospital, and I know that there is a reduced fee program that is in effect there. So talk about that and what that exactly means.
I think I'm going to let Joe talk about that. I don't know as much about that as Joe does.
This is an area that has really been very popular. It allows, I understand, for $25 they can enroll in this program and get access to medical services in the community. People that maybe perhaps can't get medical insurance or are limited. It's very helpful to families. You have a situation where some cases where you may have children. Some children may be eligible for Medicaid, some may not be. What we try to do is we try to get these folks into the providers for their needs, whether that's a private clinic or the reduced fee clinic, reduced drugs, if we can get that for them. So we kind of take the situations as they come along. We also have the Hope Clinic, which is for chronic cases, like diabetes, obesity, things like that, for people who don't have insurance, and this is in collaboration with the Salvation Army, with the hospital and the Hope Clinic. I think we really do a good job as far as meeting these people's needs, trying to get them and are sensitive to their issues. A lot of children pediatric cases come to us.
And I came across a report from 2014. It was the Pew Research Center that had a report on Hispanic trends and said that there were only 29% of Kentucky's Hispanic population that actually had access to health insurance. So is that what you all have seen? It's obviously a few years since that report was released, but is that kind of a common thing that you've come across with the organization and the people you are serving?
Yes, it is definitely a common trend throughout Kentucky, or throughout the country, I'm sure, but definitely throughout Kentucky. I would imagine 23 is a very accurate number. 23% is a very accurate number at this time.
And I would say even for English-speaking individuals, the healthcare system is complicated. When you throw in the language barrier and people coming from a different culture, maybe at a lower level of education, it just compounds it.
And Ramona, let's talk too about, we've touched on several times with the partnership with Center College in Danville. How important is that partnership for what you all do with providing services to people in need?
I think that partnership is absolutely essential for providing the services that we need. Those students that come and help, for instance, the summer program, the summer camp program this summer was run solely by this center student who was working with us for the summer. That partnership has been huge. Rick Axtell is a professor at Center, and he has been instrumental in Central Latino for, I think, since its inception.
Yes, he was part of the original.
As well, there's several Center professors that serve on the board. A lot of them are Spanish-speaking professors, which helps with the translation with the community.
And talk to you just about the general reaction that you're getting from the community about this organization and the services that you all are providing.
I think the reaction is huge. People absolutely love the center. They rely on the center. It's a place where they can go where people understand them and understand their needs and understand what it is that they that they need from our community.
And I would add that the Heart of Kentucky of United Way of Kentucky, Heart of Kentucky United Way has been a constant supporter of us, and we have a good relationship with them, and we feel that we fit in very much with their mission in the community as well. So we are really, we try to reach out and collaborate. We have a shoestring budget. You know, volunteer center students come in and help, a lot of people. Thanks to them, we've been able to increase our hours so we can see people now 6 days a week. So again, but this is the effort of individuals who are willing to help us out.
And share with us, you are talking with me that you are very active in the community with hosting events and just kind of raising general awareness about the services that you all provide. So share with us some of the events. I know you mentioned a back-to-school event that you all had held earlier. What other things do you all have going on?
We're going to talk about it.
Well, this is an example of collaboration. I'm also a board member for another nonprofit in Danville, Citizen Concern for Human Relations. Together with Women's Network Central Latino, we're going to have a program entitled The Human Side of Migration and Immigration, Perspectives from Immigrants and Their Families today in the USA. It's going to be in October. This is an example where several people, we're going to have 2 people who are from Central Latino be involved directly, plus a former board member. So also someone from the Kentucky Refugee Ministries program. So again, this is an opportunity for us to work together with other organizations through publicity and try to get the message. We want to get good information out, not only to our clients about the law and events, but also to the community about what is going on here. And just, this is an attempt to do that.
And Ramona, in our last question of the interview, talk to us about, for people who want more information about the organization that you all both are a part of, where can they go to find information?
They can go to the website. I believe we have a Facebook page as well, and they can call us.
Well, Ramona and Joe, thank you both so much for joining us here on the program and sharing the work that you are doing in Danville with Central Latino.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Coming up, we'll speak with Kentucky's first ever Hispanic legislator elected to a statewide office. Next on In Focus Kentucky.